In this video, I'm going to get this transmission back in the truck. Just picked it up from Cole Haynes Racing Transmissions in Lake Elsinore. Nothing crazy, just 480 internals, all new seals gone through, just making sure everything's all ready, looking good to go back together. So I got the truck jacked up so I can actually roll it under the truck with the stand. In my previous video, you've probably seen that I got all this insulation installed. Hopefully it's going to help with heat because the last installation did not. So this is supposed to be way better, so we'll see. I got a torque converter installed, got it full fluid. Just need to drop the truck back down. I'm gonna once over my bolts on the flex plate, make sure those are all good. I'm gonna lower the truck down off the jack and then start raising this trans up and try to stab it in there. So one thing everyone always forgets is to check your play in your torque converter when you get it installed. The bell housing is bolted to the motor. You want to first make sure that your converter spins like it does. And now we're going to push the converter all the way into the trans. And now we're going to check the gap here in between the pad and the flywheel. So if your gapping is incorrect, this thing will start to balloon naturally. It's normal, it's okay, but when it balloons because of heat and this gap is not correct, it'll start to shove into your pump and then it'll blow your pump out. And if it's the opposite way, it will start to pull out of the shaft and it won't engage your pump and it'll start ripping and pulling input shaft. So that's not good. So the easy way to do this, push this back. You're going to want to take an 1/8 inch drill bit and a 3/16 drill bit. The 1/8 inch drill bit is going to fit. The 3/16 drill bit you do not want to fit in this gap here. So as you can see, this fits, which is not okay. Clearly the 1/8 inch is going to fit. So ideally you're going to machine a spacer to go in here, or some kind of like washers or stack of washers, whatever you have to do to fill in that gap, so that your 1/8 inch fits and your 3/16 doesn't. So I'm able to take a washer, put this washer in here, and then the 1/8 inch drill bit fits. And then this 3/16 does not fit. So this washer is correct thickness to close this gap so that this 3/16 drill bit doesn't fit. So what I'm going to do is push the trans forward and then bolt this thing together. And that's how you check it. Torque converter is bolted up and done. So the transmission, other than getting filled up and installing and checking the throw on the shifter, this thing is pretty much buttoned up. The heat shield all looks pretty good, looks pretty clean. Excited to see how it works. And that's gonna end it for this video. So if you guys like the video, comment below, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, ask them. See you guys in the next video.